Hello hikers and welcome. Today we're hiking in Jasper, Alberta in Canada. We're hiking from the top of the Sky Tram to the Whistler summit.
Drop the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into Shred World. In this video, we'll ride to the top of the Jasper Sky Tram. We'll see the views from the tram top, and we'll hike to both the false summit and the Whistler summit. You'll need both tickets and a reservation time to ride the tram. At the lower station, you'll find bathrooms, snacks, and a gift shop. Once aboard, hang on and enjoy the ride. You're going up 1,000 meters in 7.5 minutes. At the tram top, you'll find a wooden walkway surrounding the station, offering magnificent views in every direction. Inside, there are bathrooms and a mountaintop cafe.
It was warm at the bottom, but it's windy and cold up here, so we put on additional layers.
It's about 1.2 kilometers with about 200 meters of altitude gain to the Whistler summit, a little less to the false summit. The trail is well marked, often lined with rock edges, and there are signs with maps along the way. There are a few drop-offs along the trail edge. The trail divides at this point. Left goes to the false summit, right goes to the Whistler summit. We decided to see both. This rock is near the false summit. This pile of stones marks the false summit. From the false summit, you can hike directly to the Whistler summit, or you can backtrack to the sign where the trail divides. Even in July, there is still melting snowpack. Here's a look back.
So this is the Whistler summit. They describe this as a difficult hike at the end. It's really not too bad at all.
This dial identifies the surrounding peaks.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like by hitting the thumbs up button down below. And while you're there, why not subscribe?